Hello guys, we got a tumbler from Nia. Tumbler from Nia. This is a brokerage from CXM, I think. Brokerage of Forex. And they give us a kind of souvenir to come. Welcome souvenirs. Let's see. I think it's from Tangerang or Jakarta. Okay, let's open this. Okay, the glue is shotting glue, I think. Okay, this is the tumbler. Oh, CXM direct. Nice, but this is not a digital thermos or tumbler. It's normal tumbler. Stainless steel vacuum mug from CXM. Brokerage Forex. Okay. This is that what's inside that SAS 304. Okay, like that. By the way, thank you CXM. We accept your gift. Always success.